What if one day, Earth can no longer protect us? What if the blue planet that gave birth to humanity slowly becomes a place we can no longer call home? Rising temperatures, collapsing ecosystems, global conflicts, and threats from space itself. For the first time in history, scientists are asking a question that once belonged only to science fiction. Where would humans go if we had to leave Earth? The universe is vast beyond imagination. There are more galaxies than grains of sand on Earth, and within them, billions of planets. Among this cosmic ocean, astronomers have identified a few extraordinary worlds, planets that may offer something astonishing, a second chance for humanity. Tonight, we explore for planets that scientists believe could be the best options for humans if Earth is no longer viable. These are not fantasies. These are real worlds, studied by modern astronomy. Planet 1, Kepler-4b, far beyond our solar system, about 1,200 light-years away, orbits a planet that has captured the attention of scientists worldwide. Kepler-4b. This planet lies within what astronomers call the habitable zone, the perfect distance from its star where liquid water could exist. And water, as we know, is the foundation of life. Kepler-4b is slightly larger than Earth, which means stronger gravity, enough to help retain a thick atmosphere, but not so strong that humans would be crushed under their own weight. Its host star is smaller and more stable than our Sun. Unlike the violent solar flares that sometimes threaten Earth, this star burns calmly, steadily, offering a more predictable climate over billions of years. If humans could stand on Kepler-4b, they might see a sky illuminated by a softer, red-tinted sun, and landscapes shaped by oceans and continents we can only imagine. Some scientists believe that Kepler-4b could be even more stable than Earth, with fewer natural disasters and a longer lifespan as a habitable world, a planet that doesn't just host life, but protects it. Planet 2, Kepler-62f. Next, we travel to a world that may be shaped by water. Kepler-62f. This planet is thought to have a thick atmosphere, one capable of shielding life from deadly cosmic radiation. In space, radiation is a silent killer. It damages DNA, weakens immune systems, and makes long-term survival nearly impossible. But Kepler-62f may have a natural defense. Many models suggest this planet could be covered by vast oceans, endless waters stretching beneath alien skies. Imagine a world of deep blue seas, storm systems larger than Earth's, and coastlines untouched by civilization. With enough technological advancement, humans could build floating cities, underwater habitats, or even island continents engineered from scratch. Kepler-62f might not look like Earth, but it could offer something just as valuable: time. Time for humanity to adapt, time to rebuild, time to learn from the mistakes that forced us to leave Earth behind. Planet 3, Kepler-450b, often called Earth's older cousin. Kepler-450b orbits a star very similar to our Sun, but there is a crucial difference. This star is older, which means Kepler-450b has existed in stable conditions for billions of years longer than Earth. That alone makes scientists pause. Kepler-450b is larger than Earth, suggesting a powerful geological engine beneath its surface: volcanoes, tectonic activity, and possibly a strong magnetic field. A magnetic field is vital. It shields a planet from stellar winds that can strip away atmospheres and sterilize surfaces. If Kepler-450b has one, it could mean long-term protection for life. Imagine arriving on a world that has already survived what Earth is just beginning to face: climate shifts, stellar evolution, and the slow march of cosmic time. Kepler-450b may represent a more mature version of Earth, a planet that has endured and adapted. For humanity, it could be a teacher. Planet 4, Gliese-667cc. Our final destination lies closer to Earth than the others, only about 23 light-years away. Gliese-667cc. This planet orbits within a triple star system, yet remarkably, it maintains a stable orbit within the habitable zone. That alone makes it extraordinary. Gliese-667cc is believed to receive just enough energy to support liquid water without the extreme temperature swings that plague many exoplanets. Its gravity may be slightly stronger than Earth's, which could mean denser forests, taller mountains, and a thicker atmosphere. But perhaps its greatest strength is consistency, a stable climate, predictable seasons, a world where survival wouldn't be a daily gamble. If humans ever attempt interstellar colonization, Gliese-667cc could be one of the first realistic destinations. Not perfect, but possible.